last but not least, we're going to be talking about deep research. Deep research, my friends. Now, uh, if you've gotten a guide from me, like the ultimate guide, relocation guides or area specific guides are great for real estate agents. But if you're a subject matter expert in something like I am with AI, I have three different guides that I created using ChatGPT, and it was Ultimate Guide to Getting Started with AI, Ultimate Guide to the Task feature, which I've shown in another video, and then the Ultimate Guide to Deep Research. So if you just go here, they only give you 40. Ooh, I got 18 left before February, 30 or 40. Um, so use them up, man, because it uses so much computing power. They're going to limit your usage on it, of course. So you go deep research, and then you type the information. It's going to ask clarifying questions. So that's easy enough. Let's say I'm an ultimate guide. I like to use the word ultimate, or like create the best insider guide to my area, or I want to create the ultimate guide for open house safety. That was something that came up the other day. I want to create the ultimate guide to being the best buyer's agent that ever lived. That might be one, right? And it'll actually research all kinds of different sources. It'll take 10 to 20 minutes just to give you an idea. The AI takes 10 to 20 minutes. It'll give you all the information in like a guide. And then you would take that guide and go and create, your ultimate guide. So I'm going to show you on Canva because like it'll give you to you in a PDF format and it's not that pretty. Okay, so let me just search my guides. I got so much stuff here. Hold on. Here we go. Ultimate Guide for Real Estate Agents to get started with AI, right? Boop. This is 9 pages. All of this info came from ChatGPT. I found a guide template that I liked, and then I can just copy and paste it. You could actually tell GPT to format, once you have the output, format this guide so that I can copy and paste it into Canva. Insert page breaks and stuff, and room for me to add images. And it'll break it up for you just like you see here. And this might be a little small, so I'll make it a little bigger. Okay, so it's not so clutter. It's nice to look at. If it's going to be digital, I wouldn't worry about how many pages it is. It's better for it to look nicer visually on the page, so it's easy to read, than cramming it all on less pages. Okay, so that's using the deep research feature, but also like it doesn't have to be a guide. You can do deep research on just about anything, an area where you're going, a real estate market that you're not familiar with, people that you might be meeting with, potential seller, buyer, things like that. All right, Jeremiah's JMan Monero. Make it an AI day.